Okay. No, my name is Dhana Laxmi. I have around 5+ years of experience in IT industry. Currently, I'm working in some companies. Also, I'm employed on talent software. Okay. It's a ETL tool. ETL tool. It's a ETL platform. The ETL platform have a number of ETL tools like Informatica, Oracle Data, Oracle, SSIS, Dell Boomi, Talent, and some other small scale and free versions or open source. But all these talent is also one of the ETL platform. Talent is also one of the ETL platform. It's a very good platform. Why I'm saying that confidentially, it's good platform. It's have the huge calls trending ETL platform. This is a topmost calls have that in the market compared to Informatica, SSIS, Dell Boomi, and IBM data stage. Compared to those, this is a good calls, training calls. You're receiving number of calls, number of jobs are available. Not only now, this is not my words. You also search in that Naukri.coms, Indeed, LinkedIn. These are the job search for platforms. You should go to that job search platforms and search talent jobs, talent developer. A number of jobs will be available in the market. Very less of the competition, more demand. Very less of the competition. In the one job, 100 post jobs are released. Some company they are released 100 posts, and competition is only 10 or 15 members competition. So that's the reason it's a trending ETL platform. And also why it is trending and why not others? Because mostly the students go to that Informatica, the other ETL platforms. Whenever you go to that other ETL platforms, you you have mostly Unix language and deep SQL language and deeply database language and deeply in ETL tool. So you should learn to the four technologies. But compared to that, and talent is that only one platform. We have concentrate about that 90% on the tool only, 5% of SQL queries and 5% of database. 5% of SQL queries and 5% we are focus on the database only. Okay. And trending calls, huge market in the demand, trending calls. Okay. Are you hunting for a high-paying IT job? Okay, this is the right course for you. And are you holding any degree from IT or non-IT? IT or non-IT? Whenever, whatever it is, MBA or MCA, BA, BBA, mechanical EC, micro, BZC, whatever. You have that degree, IT or non-IT. Those also eligible this course. And you are poor in the coding level and developing the jobs, or you are poor, you are unable to execute the code. Lot of queries here. Remember to that executing the code. Forgot that execute the code. So this is a great course for you. But still, you are poor in coding level, but still you want to join the IT industry with high pay salary. This is the right course for you. And the course highlights are mainly the course highlights, which are zero coding. We are developing the jobs end-to-end process. Also, we are not using any code from basic level to scratch level to end level, target level. We are not using any coding here. And high pay salary because very less resources are available in the market, more demand. So that's why company is giving the high pay salary. And any degree also eligible. There is no restrictions. I want some particular jobs only. I want that MPC students only. I want that BTech students only. But this course, why? Because any degree eligible have that more demand, less resources are available. So that's why any degree also eligible. More demand in the market and less resources are available and easy to learn. Easy to learn this course and user-friendly tool. It's a user-friendly tool. This technology future is 15 to 20 years. Why its technology is 15 to 20 years means this course, this ETL tool talent, mostly we are working, we are extracting the data, we are reading the data, we are run the data, the ETL run properly. Most retail industry, bank industry, and a pharma industry. Retail industry, bank industry, and pharma industry. So, guys, the retail industry, our bank domains and pharma industry, these will be closed after 2 years, after 3 years, after 5 years. Not right? It will be continuously processed. So ETL also, this talent course also, it's continuously processed. So, and to get the job, for the only basic interview questions they are asking, basic interview questions only. Basic interview questions they are asking. You have 4 years of experience, 5 years of experience, 6 years of experience also. The basic questions, they will ask the basic questions only. I have trending questions, not a trending, advanced basic level to advanced level. Basic level to advanced level, I have the questions. Then you should prepare these questions only. That from these questions, they'll ask the questions from 3 years experience, 4, 5, 6 years experience also. The same questions, they will ask the same questions. And along with these questions, I have some trending scenarios. These are the scenarios I have. We are practicing these scenarios in 45 days of the class. Every day, we are practicing the live scenario. I'm giving that assignment for you in the WhatsApp. We are maintaining one WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, I'm giving the scenarios and whatever assessment, and whenever we are while installations or while practicing the scenarios, you are facing any problem also, come within one. I'm available in the WhatsApp. Okay. This is we get the job for the basic interview questions only. I have the questions from basic level to advanced level. The interviewer asking only the basic. What do you know about the talent? What is the component? The questions are also related on the components. What this component do? What this component does? That's only. Okay. This talent training packages includes, I'm giving that basic SQL knowledge, and data warehousing concepts I'm giving to you, and talent theory and practicals. Daily I'm giving the classes, live classes, and recording classes will be available. And practicals, daily I'm giving that assignments for you. You should practice that assignment, and so after completing that assignment, take a picture and send it to the WhatsApp group. I will also acknowledge for your what you are doing. Okay. And talent live scenarios with study material. I have the printed material and also I will give to that soft copy, and one real world project. Then what is ETL? ETL means extract, transform, and load. Extract, transform, and load. Extract the data from multiple sources. Like, for example, take a bank. What are the operations are going on in the bank? Anyone? What are the operations are going on in bank? Account openings, right? Account opens. Account opens. And fixed deposit, they're collecting the fixed deposits counter. The different operations are going on. Fixed deposits. And their insurances, operations, insurance. And foreign exchange, they handle the foreign exchange. And they handle the also cyber crimes, frauds, fraud claim complaints, and loans, or vehicle loan, gold loan, or property loan, business loan, whatever that loans. loans. Extracting the data from multiple sources. Extracting the data from multiple sources and transform the data in the single transform. Transform and load into the extracting the data, like multiple sources, we are extracting the data from account, how many accounts are open for this month, what is the business are going on, and how many fixed deposit we are collecting this month, and what is the insurance policies we are collecting this one, our health insurance policies, or what any insurance policies, and foreign exchange, how much of the dollars or pounds or whatever the dinars, or what amount of the foreign exchange we are dealing this month, or quarter ending ID, off ending ID, and any fraud complaints are happens, how the customers, their loss amount, how do they get back, like Google Pay, some numbers are missing, whatever that the complaints, any complaints, and the loans, whatever the business, what happens in the business, in the bank domains, and what happens in the business, and extracting the data from the multiple sources in the single transformation. The single transformation according to the business validation, business standardization, transform the data according to the business rules, business standardization, business validation. We are transforming the data, then load into the database. Okay? Load into the database. This is what exactly in ETL. This is what exactly in ETL. Why we are using the ETL? Why the banks or retail industry or pharma industry, they are using the ETL. Why we are extracting the data? Why they are why those people are for choose only the ETL? Why not go to that other platforms? Because analyzing their business. For analysis of their business, they are using the ETL tool. So, like example, perfect example is like Big Bazaar. Say the Big Bazaar. The few years ago, 7 years ago, or 8 years ago, 5 years ago also, 5 years ago, a lot of Big Bazaar centers are there in Hyderabad and wherever it is. Now the Big Bazaars are there. Now Big Bazaars are there in Hyderabad. No, right? I think so. Why? Because of they're not analyzing their business. They simply took the loans from the bank and opened their stalls, their business, opened their shops without analyzing. They continuously running their businesses. After 3 years, after 5 years, the 5 years running successfully the Big Bazaars. The 5 years running successfully the Big Bazaars. After then slowly, what happens? The Big Bazaars businesses are slowly down because they are not analyzing any business rules. They are not analyzing any business rules. How much of the profits are going on this particular shop, and what is the year-ending profit, month-ending profit, how much of the how many employees are working on this, how many products are going on here, outcoming outwards or inwards, outwards, how many products are going on, inwards, how many products are coming, what is the product ID. They're not analyzing anywhere. So that's why the Big Bazaars are lost. Now see those retail markets, though mostly are using the retail markets, Muthoot Finance, the finance markets also using this one. Muthoot Finance, all they're they're analyzing purpose, they're using the data. Without analysis, our business not run successfully. With analyzing only, our business will be run. Without analysis, like take any Kirana store or whatever in our store, in our home also, this is my profit, 1 lakh profit I spent on this business, and the month ending at day to day, someone is day-to-day operations, someone is weekend operations, someone month-end operations. We are analyzing our business. It's a profitable or loss. It's a profitable. Okay, we'll open the next store. It's again, that's also profitable. I open the next store. If the loss, close the loss. Close our business. That's it. For analysis purpose, they're using the ETL, extracting the data, transform, extracting the data. We are reading the data, transform our business validation, our business rules, our business standardization, and then load into the database. This is what exactly in a brief discussion about that ETL. And come to this. Why do we learn ETL only? Because in this ETL, no need to that deep SQL knowledge, deep Oracle database concepts, no need of unique concepts, no coding, zero coding. Everything is completely on the basic. Why? Because of why only the basic level we are learning. So by built in the talent have that such amount, such components are available. Whatever the business validation, standardization purpose, the inbuilt in components are available in talent. So that is the reason we are not using deep SQL knowledge and deep database warehouse concepts. In other tools, they don't have that according to the business validation, standardization, components are not available. So that depending on that Unix concepts, reading the file, searching the file. So here, all these we are using the components only. So that's why companies are using for this or using the tools only for this, and their validate their business. Why do we learn talent only? Because here the basic concepts, only basic levels we need to learn, then you will get the good job. Advantages of talent tool. These are the advantages, only the basic concepts enough. Okay. And which companies and which industries they are using mostly? Retail industry, bank industry, and pharma industry are mostly using this ETL. And I'm surely said about that. It's ETL, not only the India, wherever you can go, like America, London, and Thailand, Japan, wherever you will. And the countries also using the same tools, same options, same drag and drop the components, same business validation, same business rules. Everything is same. Everything is same. Not only in India, UK, London, America, Canada, Norway, Japan, Thailand, Malaysia, Maldives, wherever you will, like Pakistan, Sri Lanka, wherever you will go. The ETL talent means that's only talent. Throughout the world using the same tool, same options, same configurations, right? It's a stress-free job. I'm confidently say about that because I'm working on this tool. It's a stress-free job. Continue surviving a long time in the IT industry. Get high salary. You get that high salary. Now I open the tool. Okay. This is a tool icon. Talent Open Studio for big data. Any database also, it can easily configure that. HDFC database and IBM database, AWS, Amazon database, and Impala database, or Oracle database, Hive database. Any database also it's work on. Yes, we are already creating the project. HDFC 900 is ICICI. Our project name is ICICI 800. Okay, finish. Everything only by click on the job, click on the options, we are developing the job. Just click on the options, they are developing it. Just wait the 2 more minutes, which will open the for the initial time, let's take that 1 or 1.5 minutes. Anyone not yet joined to that WhatsApp talent group, please save my number and say the hi. I will add your number in talent group. So this is a window, talent window. Is a talent window. Left side is a repository. For no need to write any code. Here the configuration tabs, job tab, context tab, component tab, and run tab. Okay, fine. Now, how to fetch the file? How to fetch the file from local to talent window? How to fetch the file from local to talent window? Look at here, the greater than symbol. Greater than symbol means something is there inside. If wherever that, these are the built-in options: business job design, context, code, SQL templates, metadata, documentation, recycle bin. If the greater than symbol have, it's something is there inside. Look at that greater than symbol. It's already, this is a third demo class. This is a third demo class. So that's why in previously I developed some jobs. Then next metadata. And these are the different files we are handled in the real time. File delimited files, positional files, XML files, Excel files, JSON files. Delimited files, positional files, XML files, Excel files, JSON files, we are handled like different sources. We get this data from the different sources and transform the data and load into the database, right? Now, first we come to the DB connections. DB connections means it's create the connection. For creating the connection, DB connections, right click, look at that options, very easy to user-friendly options. You can understand easily. Create connection, give the name, connection name, whatever the connection name. Go to the next. A drop-down box, click the drop-down box. These are the databases integrated to the talent. The companies are using different companies are using their own database, right? So any database also talent can access. Amazon database and JDBC database, HBase database, Hive database, IBM, Impala, are different databases. So we are using Netiza database. These are the database names: PostgreSQL, PostgreSQL, SQL plus Redshift database. It's a belongs to Amazon. Redshift database means it's Amazon database, Amazon product, Redshift. In our training, we are using the Oracle database. Oracle database. Giving the user credentials. I have a document for this, for that installation, whatever that. I'll send the document in the WhatsApp. Already I share the documents in the WhatsApp. Go to the document, you can easily understand what the steps are, what the steps you are following. You can easily understand. And give the credentials, password, server, service name. Xkey. Xkey means executable. Check the connection. Connection successful. Okay, that's it. Finish. Let's see here 3 database connections. We can give the database connection. First, give the database connection. Then the first one. What is the first one heading? File delimited. Delimited means I open the file. One file I open for you. Delimited demo file. Notepad++. Open with Notepad++. This is a file, demo file. Okay. How many rows are there? This file respond. How many rows? How many records? Rows or records are same. How many records? These are the records. How many records are there?
21.
21 records.
20 records. First is the header.
Carefully observe how many records are there?
20 records there.
20 records. Previously said 21. 20 or 21? Confidence says the 20 or 21?
At 20.
20. Right now, why not
20
20?
records, ma'am. And name.
Yes, exactly. So I have the 20 records. Only 20 records. The first one is a schema. This is called schema. Schema means structure of the data. Schema means the first one is a header. Header also nothing but schema, structure of the data. Structure of the data. And without this one, you know, what is this? What is the numbers? And you can identify what is the data belongs to which. This data belongs to employee data or product data or others data. You can identify without this header. You can identify without this header.
No.
No, ma'am.
You can understand? No, right? No, right? This is a structure of the data. This is structure of the data. Employee number, employee name, salary, HRA, department number, department name, location. It's employee data. It means employee data. Okay. These are called rows are also called as records. Rows are also called as records. 20 records are. This file have 20 records. This file have the 20 records. Okay. These are the calls, employee number, employee name. These are columns. First column, second column, third column, fourth, fifth. These are the columns. You say that it's all not only someone denotes as a columns. In the software IT technology field wise, these are called as attributes. Attributes. Or also someone denotes as a fields. Field, F-I-E-L-D, fields. Columns, same. Attributes or fields. Everything is same, but we are habituated to that pronouncing is a attributes. A good language for the good language, signing of the good language, signing good language sign. Attributes or fields. Okay, that each and every attribute or field separated by one value. What is the value? Each and every column separated by one value.
Comma.
Comma. Very good. Comma. This is called delimiter. Separated by one value is called the delimiter. Separated by one value is called delimiter. Now the first option is file delimited. File delimited means delimited files. This option we are handle only delimited files. Delimited files. Okay. Comma separated value files. CSV files. Comma separated value. CSV files. Comma separated value file or text files. Text files. Now look at that file have each and every file have that extension. You know that extension of the files. This is it. Look at this one. Microsoft Excel, comma separated value file. This is a text document. And some is that SQL file. Excel worksheet. Each and every file have that extension. Like it's a photograph. It have the .jpg, .png, .txt, .csv. These are the extension of the files. .json files and XML files and HTML document. This is HTML document. Like that. Each and every file have that extension. So this is it. We are learning for the first option is file delimited. Delimited files. Okay. Separated by one value is called delimited. Okay, how to fetch the file to the talent? How to fetch the file? Just right click, create file delimited, demo file. It's already exists. Okay, demo file one. Okay, then next. It has the 4 steps. Step 1 is give the file name. Step 2 is browse the file. Where is our file? My file is this PC, Windows C, Talent software, and sample files are 12 AM files. Okay, look at here. Here that only few files are available, right? .start.csv. Start.csv means only CSV files are visible here. Look at here, comma separated values file. Only comma separated values files are visible. Start.txt means all text documents. But I want that all CSV files and text documents I want to be visible here in this space. So for this, choose the start.start. Start.start means all files are visible here. Our file name is demo file, right? Choose this file, demo file. Open. Okay, go to the next. What is the field separator? Field separator is comma. Field separator is comma, right? This file have that header. Look at this. This is a field separator. Where is our file? Field separator is comma. It's attributes or columns or fields. Field separator is comma. Okay, field separator is comma. And this file have that header. Okay, set heading, refresh, preview. It's a preview. Okay, then next. Talent internally take care of the data types. For this, no need to no worry about this column. You know, this employee number is an integer. This is a file. It's an integer. It's a string value. What is mean by integer and string and What is the means of data types? The data types means each and every database, the database have some rules and regulations. The database have rules and regulations. The numbers as denotes as an integer. The numbers the database can take, the numbers have that integers. And the characters, along with numbers, special characters, whatever, it's take the string. And any point, decimal values, it's take that one more data type. And mobile number. Mobile number is say the mobile number is string or other data type. It's a mobile number. It's a string or other data type. What is the data type of mobile number?
Integer.
How? Okay, fine. What is the data type of
Number varchar 2.
number varchar 2? Okay, fine. But in talent, the data type of above
String.
the 10 digits, it's a long. Data type is long. Data type is long. That's whatever the data types, we don't know. We are confusing. Yeah, I don't know, identify the data types. Yeah, not only employee number, employee name. Okay. But in real time, we are handling the 20 columns and 25 columns at different data types. But talent internally take care of the data types. It's automatically internally guess the data types. That is the beauty of one more beauty of the talent. It's internally guess the data types. Internally guess the data types. And we are changing the length. Okay. This is we are doing changing the length. Integer, what is the mean of integer and long? So integer can accept only 1 to 10 digits. But mobile number is a 10 digits or 12 digits? What is the length of the mobile number? Anyone see? What is the length of mobile number?
10 digit.
What is the length of mobile number? 10 digits. What about the country code? Without country code, mobile number is it? Without country code. With country code, mobile number digit is at 12 digits.
12
We are
digit.
following the 10 digits only, but is a official. It's for our pronouncing purpose. We are giving the numbers from one to one other persons. We are using the 10 numbers only, but officially it's a 12 digit mobile number, right? Country code. And that each and every country have that country code. A country code is a 91. America country code is 01. London country code is 02. Or like the country code. We are with country code. It's officially our mobile number is 12. So for this data type is long. Now say that for example, I create one more file. Create file delimited. Let's say I have that pipe file. Demo pipe. Okay. Go to next. Browse the file. I will give that good example for you. Okay. Then next. What is the now I open the file. Just 1 minute. File. This is a file. Open the file. Now what is the delimiter here? What is the delimiter? This file delimiter.
Operator.
Sorry?
Pipe
Pipe
symbol.
symbol, right? Good. This file have the header?
No.
No, right? Okay. The file
Header.
here. We are identifying the two issues. One is this file don't have that header, and the file delimiter is a pipe is a delimiter of this file. How to fetch this kind of the file? Okay. Field separator is here. The pipe symbol is there. No, right? Custom. So if any symbols are not available here, the default delimiter is semicolon is a default delimiter. Semicolon is a default delimiter. Let's see that whenever we are open, just click on next. Default means it's already built in. Semicolon is the default delimiter. Field symbol. If the pipe symbol not available, right? Use that custom. Customization. Customs. Custom code. Means we are creating the delimiter here. What is that? Pipe symbol. Pipe. This file have that header? No, right? So direct refresh preview. Refresh preview. Okay, go to the next. Go to the next. See, data types. Data types are talent guess, internally guess the data types, right? There is no columns information, fields information, attribute information not available, but guess the data type. How guess the data type? Along with talent, internally read the data here. Here, read the data, each and every column, each and every record, and read the data. Then next, guess the data type. Read the data and guess the data type. And here the header is not available here, right? Header is not available. Now giving the header. But in real time, how to handle the header, the file, the vendor, the client, a customer will not provided that header. They simply give the file. So in real time also, whatever the customer requirements, client requirement, customer requirements, we are develop the jobs, design the jobs as per the customer requirement only. So the customer send with file along with details. Customer send the file along with details. Without details, the customer will not send. If without details, the customer send, again we are revert back to the client. Yeah, some details are missing. What I will do, if we are processing the file as it is, or any requirements you need. These are the issues I found out. These are the issues I found out. This file doesn't have that header. This file have some duplicates. This file have some issues. We are identify the issues and write the mail and send to the client. But we are a team members. We are not unable to send the directly involved in the business. We are informed that our team lead, our manager, they will involved in the business. Okay. So fine. That is it. So we are guess that data types here, employee number, employee name, salary, HRE. Okay. Now give the column names. Employee number, employee name, employee name, salary, HRA, employee name, salary, HRA. Employee name, salary, HRA. Department number, department name, location. Everybody mean location. Department number, department name, location. Then next location, mobile number, mail ID, right? Okay, mobile number. Look at the mobile number data type is long because integer can accept the only up to 10 digits only. 0 also not accept that integer. 0 not accepted. Integer not accept the 0. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1 to 10 digits. 0 not accepted. Mobile number. Mobile number and mail ID. Mail ID. So this is the intelligence. Need change the lines. Yeah. Change the length. Everything talent taker. We are also do something. So this is that client will give our salary. Change something. Whatever we are changing the length or what the data types customer wants, everything they send the file along with all details. Send the file along with all details. We are developing the jobs as per the customer requirement only. We are developing the jobs as per customer requirement only. Okay. Now we are creating the database connection and fetch the file. Then next design one job. Design the job. Okay. For this, how to design the job? Job designs. Right click, create the job and demo job. Demo job 1. Finish. Now pop up that all symbols. Right? Okay. Now just drag and drop the files where develop the job. Okay. Where is our file? Delimited files now. A greater than symbol means something is there inside. Right? demo file. Okay. Okay. We are drag and drop. That's it. And this is a database connection. The Oracle output. Okay. Now giving the connection row main. This is a connection to give from source to target. Source to target. This is a source and this is a target. Right? Double click. A table name. Demo data. Demo employee data. EM. Employee data. Employee data. Action on table. Drop table if existent. Create. As of now, take this one. Yes, that's it only. Now run the job. We'll see what happens. Job ran successfully. All the 20 records, right? We have the 20 records. This is a previous data. Where is that file? 20 records. All have the 20 records, right? Now I want to that these all 20 records. These 20 records, I want that fetch the department number 10 records. Department number 10 records. How to fetch the department number 10 records? For this, fetching the particular record you want, the particular department, the particular record you want. For the component is called, we are using one component. For the database side, we are using the where condition. The SQL queries, you have the good knowledge, the SQL. Choose the SQL query. Okay, you are forgot the SQL query, you are unable to write the SQL query, a lot of syntax errors, something blah, blah happens. So for this, in such case, we are using that component filter row component. Okay, how to give the connection? Click on this one, place button, remove the previous one, give the correction to fresh one. Okay, double click this one. Double click this one. Okay, plus button. Here that drop down box. You want the department number 10. Department number input column. What is the value you want? You want the value is 10. Department number 10. That's it only. Configuration. Row, filter the records. Now run the job. Clear and run. For the, no need to write the create scripting. No need to write create table scripting, insert value scripting. No need to write that SQL query for the where condition using where condition. And simple just configuration the component and develop the jobs. Now see. Within 0.01 seconds, filter records are filtered and load into the database. Now we'll cross check the data, come to the table name, copy the table name for the cross checking. Copy the table name and database. Open the Oracle database we are using here. Oracle database 19.2.1 version. Okay, select star from. We are fetching the records, right? Select the star from. Star means complete the table. How many records are there in the table? Table name. Select the star from table name. We are fetching the records. Now see that only department number 10 records are visible. Okay, here only the 5 records we can see. We know that 5 records are visible here. The talent also, we are cross-checking the only 5 records. Sometimes what happens in the real time, we are fetching the data, millions of the records, lakhs of the records. How to know, count? The 5 records are fetching, or 10 records are fetching, 1 lakh records are fetching, 1 million records are fetching. How to know? For this, start count. Count now. No, all right, 5. Count is 5. So fetching that 5. Right? We are no need to write. Oh, this is a table, right? This is a table. Without any table script, without insert values script, and talent internally taker, everything talent internally taker with the help of options only. With the help of options, talent internally take care everything and execute the job. This is what exactly the ETLs we are having. And here the lot of components are there. I have that desktop downloads. I'm giving the suggestion for you how to prepare the resume and also I will give how to upload the Naukri what are the steps are following. Everything I will guide for you. That is also a separate sessions. These are the components. Don't panic about that. Here, number of components are there. Don't panic about. But we are regularly using only 10. We are hardly learn about the 10 to 12 components. These are small components. Regularly, we are using only 10 to 15 components only. But I'm giving the training this who are with the 5 years of experience, 6 years of experience, from basic level to 6 years of experience, the content I will provide to you. So that's why for the knowledge purpose, I'm giving the entire subject for you. Okay. This is not for you. This is where separate. Okay. This is the components we are using. The subject of this talent. This is Vishal, exactly. Sarala, these are new students, 2 students. Is it able to understand easy way or any feel difficulty for my explanation or for your understanding capabilities?
Yes, ma'am. Understanding. I understand.
Okay, fine. I send the WhatsApp link for you. Join the WhatsApp link. Okay. Where is that WhatsApp link? Talent group. We are maintaining one group, right? This is our group. Okay. I will send later. I will send for this. This is my number. This is my number. Just ping hi. I'll add your name in my group. Okay. 9848778388. This is my number. Anyone on it from up to now, not join that WhatsApp group. This is my number. And just ping me. I'll add your name in my WhatsApp group. Talent group, not WhatsApp group, talent group. Okay. Deepak, you are joined.
Okay, ma'am.
Deepak, you're old student, right? Deepak, you're joined, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Sindhu, are you joined the WhatsApp group? You also,
Yes, I'm in the WhatsApp group.
yeah, joined the WhatsApp group. Okay. Are you received that installation document, Sindhu and Deepak?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
tried to that install?
No,
No,
ma'am.
not yet. I'll do it in the weekend.
Okay, sure.
Ma'am, I inform Durga for access of Google Drive, but it's still not.
Oh, okay. I will connect to the DURGASOFT. I will say your name and I will suggest to you. Okay. Yeah, okay. You're facing any issue. Just ping your message, your problem in WhatsApp group. Then I know understand how to. Okay. I will understand you.
Okay.
Okay. Just ping one. So whatever you are facing the problems, I don't know now. I don't know this problem you are facing. So this is the problem I'm facing. Just ping to me in the WhatsApp group. So that is the reason creating the group, talent group. That is the reason creating the talent group. This talent group, you can get them. Okay. You will solve any issues for the talent group. I will connect you to that DurgaSoft. Your name is Deepak, right? Deepak and Sindhu.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
will connect with you.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. And Vishal, also you also joined the WhatsApp group, and I will send to that installation documents.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to install, and Sarala, you also try to install that. Install. I will send that WhatsApp. You're facing any issue, don't struck that the particular reason, and immediately whatever you're facing the issue, say post into the group. Okay, I will connect to the DurgaSoft from the DurgaSoft, and I will connect with them from my end. If you are facing any errors in the content wise, topic wise, you're facing any errors, I will solve within the fraction of seconds. Or I'm not available. Okay, some previous students that in the group have the 20-25 members are there. The previous students also helpful you. Okay, that's a communication. Communication also, if you also increasing the communication, what happens, how to resolve the error. Someone also facing the same error. So both are communicate. This is a way. So go and solution. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Any doubt?
Actually, ma'am,
Mm.
no, ma'am.
Mm.
Actually, I'm facing existing project. Change
Mm-hmm.
the DB version.
Mm-hmm.
DB version.
Okay.
Yes, but I'm facing.
Mm-hmm.
What
DB.
is the
You
solution?
you are also you have already talent tool, right?
Yes, yes.
You already have the talent tool, but you are unable to connect
Actually,
to the database.
yes, connect. No, ma'am. Actually, first time using 11C version,
Mm-hmm.
and this time updating the 19C. So how
Mm-hmm.
to change
Just
ETL talent?
I provided the software Oracle 19.2 version. I'm giving the credentials also. Remove the previous one and install to this one. Okay. I'm giving the
Yes.
credentials for you.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, ma'am.
That is all. Simple
Okay.
issue. That's simple. Previously, you have that whatever that's remove that one, uninstall that one. And how to uninstall? Go to the control panel. Go to the
Okay.
control panel. Go to the control panel. Go to the programs. The programs. Uninstall programs. Whatever that you want to uninstall, just select and right click uninstall. And I will provide the new software for this 19.2 version. I will provide to you. Let's download and extract and install to. Okay. And we'll give
Okay,
the
ma'am.
credentials also. For the credentials, you're using lifelong. After 10, after 5 months, 6 months, I'm not changed that any credentials. That credentials are in my hand. I will give that credentials of long time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. Register your name to the DurgaSoft and get the link and install to the properly. If you are facing any issue, just post in the WhatsApp group. Okay. I will suggest
Okay,
you.
ma'am. Okay.
Fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks for joining. Bye bye. Good night. Sweet dreams. Tomorrow we'll meet you. Okay.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Uh,
Same time, na, ma'am?
yes. 8 to 9 only.
Tomorrow. Okay. Okay.
Tomorrow onwards, regular classes will join. Someone, okay, why? Because of daily and taking the demo means some new students are joining. So that is the reason taking the demo. So tomorrow onwards,
Okay.
regular classes will continue. And whatever the previous classes up to now, yesterday, day before yesterday, Monday onwards, the classes are also uploaded in the shared drive folder. Where is your files? Your files are available in the shared drive. Oh, here the 9 dots. 9 dots. Click the 9 dots. Drive link and share it with me folder. Share it with me folder. And your classes are visible here. Your class. These are my previous. Okay. These your classes are visible. Like this is sessions. All sessions. Your classes are visible here. Shared with me folder. Check your shared with me folder. Register your link and check your shared with me folder. Your classes are visible here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, fine. Thank you. And thanks for joining. Spending your valuable time. Okay, fine. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Tomorrow we'll meet you at the same time.
Thank you. Bye.
Signing off.
Bye.